Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we'll talk about the topic in a simple and easy to understand way, so you can follow along and learn step by step. If you want a dinner that is fast, bold, and good for you, grilled mackerel is hard to beat. The flesh is rich and meaty, the skin gets crisp and a little smoky, and the flavor stands up to strong seasonings. It tastes like something from a seaside restaurant, but you can put it on the table in under 30 minutes. Mackerel is also loaded with omega-3s, protein, and key vitamins, yet it usually costs less than salmon. That mix of big flavor, real health perks, low price, and quick cooking makes it perfect for busy weeknights. Below you will see how to choose good fish, prep and season it, grill it without stress, and turn it into simple, satisfying meals. What makes grilled mackerel so good for you and your budget? Mackerel is a fatty fish in the best way. The natural oils are rich in omega-3s, which support heart and brain health. You also get plenty of protein, B vitamins for energy and vitamin D for bones and mood. Grilled mackerel gives you all of that with no heavy sauces and very little added fat. On the money side, mackerel is usually cheaper per pound than salmon or tuna. You still get the taste of a high-end fish dinner, but at a weeknight price. Because the flavor is strong, a smaller portion still feels satisfying. That can stretch your food budget and keep your meals interesting at the same time. Health benefits of grilled mackerel you can actually feel. Here are a few real-life perks you may notice. Happier heart. Omega-3s help keep blood fats in check and support steady blood flow. Over time, that can support better heart health. Sharper brain. The same fats support brain cells. Many people say they feel more focused and less foggy when they eat oily fish a few times a week. Stronger muscles. Each serving has plenty of high-quality protein. That helps you keep or build muscle, especially if you stay active. Fewer random snacks. The mix of fat and protein helps you stay full longer. That can mean fewer late-night chips or rushed vending machine runs. None of this feels like health food when you bite into crispy skin and juicy flesh. It just feels like a good meal. Why mackerel is a smart, low-waste seafood choice. Mackerel is often a more sustainable option than big, famous fish like tuna. Many types grow fast and are caught in large numbers without as much pressure on the oceans. In a lot of coastal areas, they also come from smaller boats and local waters. At home, you use almost the whole fillet, so there is little waste on your plate. Leftovers are easy to turn into salads, rice bowls, or sandwiches. You get a fish that is kind to your budget and, in many places, kinder to the sea. How to choose, prep, and season mackerel for perfect grilling. Good grilled mackerel starts long before you light the grill. Fresh fish, simple prep, and the right seasoning make everything easier. Once you know what to look for and follow a short routine, it feels as simple as grilling chicken. How to pick fresh mackerel at the store or market. Fresh mackerel should look glossy and alive, not dull or tired. Check for bright, clear eyes, shiny tight skin, and firm flesh that bounces back when you press it. The smell should be clean and briny, like the ocean, not sharp or sour. Thanks for watching part 1. There's more to discover, so stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.